Question number 5. Express each of the following as a product of powers of their prime factors. We have to find the prime factor of 648. You know how to find the prime factors? Prime factors means we have to take, what is the prime number? Prime number means we have to divide the given number by itself and by 1. That is, those are called the prime numbers. 648. Divide it by 2. 2 is the only one even prime number in whole number system. Okay. Now 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 2s are 2 8s are 2 1s are. Then 3 2s are 3 7s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. So 648 is equal to, how many 2s are there here? 3 2s are there and 1 2 3 4 and 5. How many times 3 are there? 4 times 3 are there. 2 times 3, 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 4. Or one more step you have to write. How many times 2 is there? Write 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 4 times. So 648 is equal to 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 4. Okay, next one. You understand this? We have to see the number. If it is the even, you have to divide it by 2. Otherwise, you have to follow the rules of division. Is it divided by 3 or 4? 4 is a composite number. We can't divide it by 4. Okay. Now 405. 5 is the prime number. 5 8s are 5 1s are. Then 3 2s are 3 7s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. Okay. Then 5 is only one time. 3 is of 4 times. Then 5 into 3 raised to 4. Therefore, 405 is equal to 5 into 3 raised to 4. If last means in the ones place 5 is there, means it is divided by 5. Third one, 540. Here 0 is there, it can be divided by 5. 540 divided by 5 1s are, 4 is less than 5, so 1 0 will come here. 5 8s are 40. Then 2 5s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 7s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. So 5 into 2 is of 2 times, 3 is of 3 times. Then 5 raised to 1, 2 is 2 times, so 3 is 3 times. So 540 is equal to 5 into 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 3. Okay. Then 3600. 3600. It is divided by 5. Because here is a 0, we should take 5 first. 5 6s are, 5 7s are 35. 1 remains, 5 2s are 10, 0 remains. Again 5. 5 1s are, 5 4s are, 5 4s are. 2 7s are, 2 2s are. 2 3s are, 2 6s are. 2 1s are, 2 8s are. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 5 2 times. 4 is 1 2 2 is 1 2 3 4 times. 3 is 2 times. So this is equal to 5 into 5, 2 into 2, how many times? 4 times and 3 into 3. This is equal to 5 square into 2 raised to 3, 4 into 3 raised to 2. You can write in orderly, means 2 is the smaller, so 2, 3 and 5 square. 2 raised to 4, 3 raised to 2 and 5 raised to 2. This completes the fifth question. You should write in the question number 6, simplify. 2 into 10 raised to 3. 10 raised to 3 means we should write 10 how many times? 3 times in the expanded form. Then 2 as it is. 10 times are 100, 100 times are 1000. So 2 into 1000 is 2000. Simplified form of 2 into 10 raised to 3 is 2000. Now here for 7 square is there. 7 into 7, 2 into 2. 7 sevens are 49, 2 twos are 4. Multiply these two. 196. 49 fours are 196. Okay. And here 2 raised to 3 means we have to write 3 times. Then into 5. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. 8 fives are 40. And here 3 into 4 is of 4 times. 3, 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64, 64 fours are how much? 2, 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64, 64 fours are we should do 256 into 3 are into 3 768. You have to multiply these two numbers. 256 and 3 will get 768. Then fifth one, 0 into any number is always 0. Don't simplify this because 0 into 100 is 0 only. This is equal to 5 into 5. 3 is of 3 times. 25 into 27. Yes, 25 into 27. What is the answer of 25 into 27? We should multiply both the numbers. Then 675 is the answer. 675. Right? Okay. Do question number 7 and 8 as a homework. 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 2 and 8th one 3 raised to 2 into 10 raised to 4. Expand these two and multiply. Expand and multiply. You will get the answers.